Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to install WhatsApp on Windows computer. So the very first thing to do here is you have to go to the search menu and then search for Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is to open this one and this is what it looks like. Now you have to locate for the search bar or you have to tap the search icon right here and then search for WhatsApp. So WhatsApp application will appear right here and anything related to WhatsApp, but you have to click this WhatsApp application. After that, you have to click or tap this install button right here and wait for a couple of seconds as it is starting to download. Once done, open your WhatsApp application. And what you're going to do here is to click this get started button. Now you have to get your phone, your Android or your iPhone, and you will see the instruction right here. All you have to do is to scan this QR code. So go to your settings. Here you will see at the top this QR code icon. So click this scan code and all you have to do is to scan this code right here. Wait for a couple of seconds or you can simply link with your phone number. So you can type your phone number right here. And then after that, you just have to confirm that you're trying to link a device and then they will send you a code if you link with your phone. Type the code right here, and then after that, you will see your WhatsApp on your computer. So that's how easy it is to download WhatsApp on Windows computer. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.